Hello fellows, I hope you're doing very well. This video, I'm so happy to make it today. I'm really happy to make it, because today I'm going to show you how to unbox this thing. And you know what it is? It is a tablet, a G-Tab. So the specifications say that it is the display is 8 inches IPS, the resolution is 800 by 1280, and there is a G 2.5D tempered glass, Android 10, CPU is octa-core processor, it has 4G high-speed entertainment, and the battery is 5100 mAh. It supports memory cards up to 128 GB. So it includes the tablet, it includes charger, USB earphones, OTG adapter, screen protector, user manual, TPU case, and touch pen. I really love this, guys. I want to hug it. Okay, so today we're going to unbox it. Okay, this is the first time I'm unboxing a very new Iranian item. Okay, so let me explain about it. This tablet is made by GLX. GLX is an Iranian company, and everyone knows that it is originated from China, but this particular tablet, which is manufactured by GLX, was designed by Iran, was produced by Iran independently. It was not a product of China and then brought up by Iran. No, Iran produced it itself, designed it itself, and brought it to the market. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is a plastic cover on top of the box. See, this one has the mark F8+. You want to see it properly? G10. Here are the specifications. And there is one thing which I love, which is this mark over here. It reads Sokht Iran. It means made in Iran. Okay, so let's open it. Oh, there is a mark. Actually, there is a seal by the company here, so we need to open it. Oh man. The seal is literally so tight. Okay, there is another seal over here I need to open. Sorry, it's taking so long. Okay, meanwhile you can actually like this video and you can subscribe to my channel. Oh man, this is a dream. I'm dreaming right now actually. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Okay, so this is what is inside. Okay, I'm just taking it out. You get this cover, which is, I guess, the protector. It's made of sponge, so it's protecting the tablet from any injuries. And this is the tablet itself. Of course, we'll switch it on, don't worry. So it's the size of about your palm, you know, and I'm an adult already, so this is the size of about my palm. It's really convenient, you know. It's a very convenient size. It looks really good, amazing. Okay, and then they have this business card over here, which is in Farsi, and looks like it's a warranty card. Carte guarantee, yes, it's a warranty card. They give you a warranty card actually, and it's a 1-year warranty card. So if anything happens, I can send it back and I'll get a new one or whatever. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this. Let me open this in front of you. Let's see what we have inside. I have watched unboxing videos for this in Persian, and looks like it's the cover for the tab. Hopefully it is. Yes, indeed it is the cover for the tablet. It's a plastic cover and it's hard, so it protects the tablet from getting hurt. And this one is the screen protector. Okay, so you get a screen protector, free screen protector, and inside there you'll find those tissues, those wet tissue papers, so that you can wipe the screen and put on the screen protector. And then you have this. These are the earphones. Actually, you know, I don't have a habit of opening new things. I just leave them inside. But for you guys, I'll open. These are earphones, if you can see them. These are glx earphones, my friend. Well, if you think I'm very proud, I am proud. Okay, so because it is an Iranian made product, so I will be proud. And it's so hard to open, but this is the charger. I just need to open it so that you people can see. This is the charger. Okay, as you can see, this is the charger. I mean, this is the USB cable, and this is the, you can see it, I don't need to open it. This is the, what do you call it, the charger itself, the head of the charger, ENG tab. Hope you can see it. Yeah, it's quite good. When you get a pen, this is the tablet pen. Yes, this is the tablet pen. Well, I don't know how to use it. You have to learn how to use it actually. You have to learn how to use it. But yeah, such a beautiful pen. Okay, and then you get this. This is that thing where you can keep a flash disk and connect it to your tablet. I don't know what's it called. I'm not very good in these words. Yeah. And then, okay, this is the last item. This is the user manual. You have their website here, www.glx.ir. Make sure to visit it. Okay, so we are done for today. Oh, we're not done. We need to switch it on. Wow, it's amazing, don't you think? Look, it's very amazing. I need to switch it on. To switch it on. Oh, I'm so excited to switch it on. Are you excited to switch it on? Well, even if you are not, I will switch it on. Okay, so this is what happens. It says, touch me, touch the world. That's the motto for GTAB. Touch me, touch the world. Well, it's true. GTAB. Okay, that's GTAB. Well, I'm not sure, but I was watching that video, the unboxing video. It starts in Persian. Yes, indeed it is Persian. And we just changed the language to English. So actually you don't even need it to be written in English. Okay, you can just see the icons and go. You see. So I want to change the language to English so that I don't get confused. Let me just search. Since I know Persian, I will just search for it so that I save time and this video should not be so long. English. In fact, it shows me English Tanzania because I live in Tanzania. It shows English Tanzania. There is even Kiswahili. Kwa hiyo hao ambao wanaishi Tanzania wanataka kutumia hii tablet katika lugha ya Kiswahili, mtapata, msijali. Okay. So the keyboard. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is the tablet. Look how beautiful it is. Isn't it? Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video below. This is the GLX tablet, Iranian made. Thank you. Have a good day.